How to make $10,000 in a month, a practical, proven guide. Making $10,000 in a month is a goal that many people strive for, whether it's to pay off debt, save for a major purchase, or achieve financial independence. While it may seem like a lofty goal, it is entirely achievable with the right mindset, strategy, and work ethic. This guide breaks down actionable steps and paths you can take to reach that $10,000 mark in a single month, with ideas suited for different skills, experience levels, and risk tolerance. Part 1. Understanding the math behind $10,000. Before diving into the strategies, it's essential to understand what earning $10,000 in a month entails. 10,000 per month equals $333.33 per day if working every day, or $500 per day if working only 20 weekdays, or 10 people buying a $1,000 product service, or 100 people buying a $100 product service. This breakdown shows that $10,000 is not an arbitrary number. It's a target that can be divided into smaller, manageable goals. Whether you're selling services, products, or time, the key is finding a scalable path. Hacker Part 2. High income skills to leverage. To make $10,000 in 1 month, you need to provide high value to someone or many people. Here are skills that people regularly earn $10,000 plus per month with. 1. Copywriting. 2. Freelance web development. 3. Social media marketing. 4. Sales, especially high-ticket sales. 5. SEO consulting. 6. Video editing for creators or businesses. 7. Coaching, consulting in specialized fields. 8. E-commerce store ownership. 9. Real estate wholesaling. 10. Day trading, risky and requires capital. Let's explore how to use some of these for real results in just 30 days. Part 3. Business models that can generate $10,000 in 30 days. 1. Freelancing with a high demand skill. If you already possess a high demand skill, freelancing can get you to $10,000 quickly. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr Pro host professionals who regularly earn thousands per project. Action plan. Identify your most valuable skill, e.g., copywriting, design, coding. Optimize your profile for credibility and results, portfolio, reviews. Pitch 10 clients a day, offering high-ticket services. Charge premium rates, $1,000 per project. Upsell clients with monthly retainers or bundled services. Hash example, 5 clients at $2,000 each, $10,000. 2. Offer a coaching or consulting program. If you have expertise in a niche, fitness, career advancement, business, mindset, you can package your knowledge into a high-ticket coaching offer. Action plan. Identify your niche and target audience. Design a 4 to 6 week transformation-based program. Create a simple landing page using Card or Systeme.io. Reach out via social media, email, or ads to offer discovery calls. Charge $1,000 to $3,000 per client. Example, 4 clients at $2,500 to $10,000. 3. Launch a digital product, ebook, course, templates. Creating a digital product is a great way to generate income without ongoing labor. The key is identifying a pain point and offering a clear solution. Action plan. Choose a topic you're an expert in. Build a product that solves a specific problem. Set up a sales funnel with Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia. Market aggressively on social media or with email campaigns. Partner with influencers or run targeted ads. Example, 200 sales of a $50 course equals $10,000. 4. E-commerce with a one-product store. Dropshipping or e-commerce with a focused product can bring rapid sales if done right. Action plan. Find a trending or problem-solving product. Use TikTok, AliExpress. Build a Shopify store with one winning product. Shoot engaging product videos, UGC style. Run TikTok and Instagram ads. Optimize for conversions. Test pricing, copy, and visuals. Example, 500 sales of a $30 product with a $10 profit margin equals $10,005. Real estate wholesaling. This involves finding discounted properties and selling the contract to an investor. No license required, but you need negotiation skills and hustle. Action plan. Use tools like PropStream or Driving for Dollars to find leads. Contact distressed homeowners and negotiate deals. Assign the contract to a cash buyer for a fee, often $5,000 to $20,000. Focus on volume and follow-up. Example, One successful assignment at $10,000 equals goal achieved. 6. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from other businesses and earn commissions. Action plan. Choose a niche and a few products to promote via ClickBank, Amazon, or SaaS platforms. Build a TikTok or Instagram page around that niche. Post value content with affiliate links. Collect emails and promote via a funnel. Example, 200 sales of a $100 product with 50% commission equals $10,000. Part 4. Combining active and passive strategies. For many people, combining 2 to 3 strategies works best. For instance, freelance during the day, build a digital product or run affiliate pages at night. Reinvest some of your earnings into paid traffic or tools. Part 5. Time management and tools. To make $10,000 in 30 days, you need to work smarter, not just harder. Tools to consider. Calendly for scheduling client calls. Canva for easy graphics and social media posts. Trello Notion, task and project management. Stripe PayPal to collect payments. Chat generation, scripting, copywriting support. Daily structure, morning, outreach, lead generation or marketing. Afternoon, deliver services or products. Evening, build long-term assets, course, email list, brand. Part 6, case study examples. Case study 1, freelance copywriter. Jane was a former English teacher who decided to learn copywriting. Within a few weeks, she landed clients on Upwork and LinkedIn. Her first month, website copy for a tech startup, $2,500. Email sequence for a fitness brand, $1,000. Landing page copy, $1,200. Monthly retainer for newsletters, $2,000. Coaching 2 junior writers, $3,500. Total, $10,200. Case study 2, TikTok affiliate marketer. Ben created a TikTok account reviewing budget tech products. He used Amazon affiliate links and built a small email list. In one viral video, he earned $6,800 from Amazon commissions, $3,500 from promoting a software product. Total, $10,300. Part 7, pitfalls to avoid. 1. Spreading too thin. Pick 1-2 strategies and go deep. 2. Perfectionism. Launch fast, refine later. 3. No audience. Your product service is only as strong as your distribution. 4. Ignoring mindset. Self-doubt kills action. Build confidence through wins. 5. No tracking. Always measure what's working and double down. Part 8. Final 30-day challenge plan. Week 1. Prep and positioning. Choose your monetization strategy. Set up your portfolio, website, or store. Research and prep marketing channels. Week 2. Launch and outreach. Begin client outreach or launch your product. Send 10 to 20 proposals or pitches daily. Start growing your audience on social media. Week 3. Sell and scale. Close deals and deliver top quality work. Optimize your offer based on feedback. Upsell or get referrals. Week 4. Maximize and maintain. Increase pricing for premium offers. Automate some tasks or hire help. Build recurring revenue where possible. Earning $10,000 in 1 month is an ambitious but realistic goal if you treat it seriously and commit fully. Whether through freelancing, consulting, e-commerce, or creating digital assets, the path you choose should align with your strengths, experience, and risk appetite. The most important factors are action, consistency, and resilience. Pick your path, put in the work, and hit that 5-figure month.